Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss the same point I discussed at last lecture. Okay. Let me start from here. Last lecture I discussed right continuity and left continuity. Okay. I will discuss this. See this example. Look over here. This example. Example: for what value of the constant k, if possible, that will make the function continuous everywhere. Okay. This is the question. This example I will discuss now. For what value of the constant k, if possible, that will make the function continuous everywhere. Okay. So if a function is continuous at a point, then there are three conditions. There are three conditions must satisfy. Okay. So look over here. You have to check this function. This function is continuous at this point 1. Continuous at this point 1. Okay. See the solution here. How to solve this? How to find the value of k? Function f is continuous at x equal to 1. This function f is continuous at x equal to 1. Okay. If this function is continuous at this point 1, it means what? It means there are three conditions satisfied. Number 1 is this, f of 1. F of 1 equal to what? Okay. So now look here. See the function. If x is v1, what is the function here? X is v1. See this. Here Visavi. Visavi hina mojud. Okay. Visavi hina mojud. It means this function. X is vahid hina. Okay. So you have to take this function. 7x minus 1. Right? You will take this 7 into here mojud x. X yani 1 and minus 2. Is equal to what? 7 or 1 minus 7 and minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. So f of 1 equal to 5. After that, what is the second condition? You have to find the limit. You have to check the limit. Okay. So here there are two functions. One function here for this domain, x asgar min wahid, and hada tani domain, x akbar min wahid. X asgar mean x asgar isawi wahid means this function. Akbar min wahid yani hada function. Okay. There are two functions. Here for the limit you have to check two limits. X asgar means left limit and x akbar means right limit. Okay, and then you check, and you will find the limit. So first I have to find left hand limit. Left hand limit is equal to limit x goes to 1 minus, right, of fx is equal to what? Here x goes to 1 minus, it means what? X asgar min wahid. X goes to 1 from the left, from SR. And x goes to 1 from SR means x asgar min wahid. When x asgar min wahid, this domain, the function hada 7x minus 2. Here 7x minus 2 is this. So is equal to limit x goes to 1 minus the function hada, this function 7x minus 2. This one. Okay. Now put the value x goes to 1, yeah, hada 7 wahid minus 2. This is equal to 5. 7 1 yani 7 and minus 2 equal to 5. Right? Now check the right limit. Check the right limit here. Right hand limit equal to limit x goes to 1 plus, okay, f of x. It is f equal to limit x goes to 1 plus. It means what? X goes to 1 plus. It means x करीब 1 min यानी x akbar min y, x akbar min y, and when x akbar min y hada, then x akbar min y function hina मौजूद kx tarbiya, then this function is kx tarbiya, kx tarbiya hada, kx tarbiya. This equal to what? X goes to 1 yani hada wahid. Here k and dar wahid tarbiya, and this equal to what? Wahid tarbiya means wahid, k dar 1, this equal to k, this equal to k. Okay. Okay. This means what? When limit exists, this question says this function is continuous. When continuous, on the possible value of constant k. Okay. So when this limit exists when left hand side equal to right hand side. Left hand limit equal to right hand limit. If these two limits are equal, then these two limits, left limit and right limit equal, then limit exists. Okay. So see this right hand limit is k, left hand limit is khamsa. So here left hand limit is khamsa and right hand limit is k. Okay. So when k equal to 5, when k equal to 5, then limit exists. Okay. And when limit exists, yani this. Limit x goes to 1, f of x. Left hand limit, if this k is 5, right? Limit exists, yani this equal to 5. Okay. So when k equal to 5, then hada limit exists and this equal to 5. And here f of 1 come. F of 1 here. F of 1 here 5. And when k equal to 5, then limit exists and is 5. F of 5 and limit 5. For which value of k? For k equal to 5. Okay. This function will continuous if equal to 5. F is continuous when k equal to 5. When k is 5, then this function will be continuous. right? Yusawi 5 means hada, Yusawi hada, same. Left limit, right limit, same. Yani limit exists, and this equal to 5. And f of 1 equal to 5. Our condition, f of 1 equal to 5. And when k equal to 5, the limit exists and will be 5. Okay, second condition, condition Thani. And then Talata condition, limit and f of 1 same. And k equal to 5. Okay? And then function continuous. For the value of k equal to 5, then function will be continuous. Right? Any problem here? You understand or not? Okay. Right. When k equal to 5, then see, first you have checked this. You have checked this. F of 1 equal to 5. Okay. Limit when k equal to 5, then limit x goes to 1, f of x equal to 5. Okay. When limit x goes to 1, f of x equal to 5. When k equal to 5, then hana. Then left limit and right limit same, and then exist. Okay. Hada awal condition, hada thani condition, and talata condition what? Hada and hada same. Okay. Same. Yani function continuous. And when will be this? Limit goes to 1, fx is 5. When this is e? When k equal to 5. When k equal to 5. Left limit, right limit same. Then k equal to 5, and then limit exists. Okay. K mafi 5, then limit mafi exists. Okay. Then not continuous. So lazim here k equal to 5. Then function will be continuous. Okay. Yes. Now come to the next point. This here. See this point, this theorem here. If function f and function g are continuous at this number a, and c is a constant. Okay, c is rakam hakiki, and function f and function g, both functions are continuous at this number a. Okay, and the following functions are continuous also continuous at this number a. Okay, it means what? If function f continuous at number a, function g continuous at number a. Okay, it means what? F z g also continuous at number a. Okay, function f continuous at number a. Function f continuous at number a, the same number a. Okay, and function g also continuous at the same number a. Okay, then f z g also continuous. F z g also continuous at number a. Okay, and this f is g also continuous at number a. And hala number 3, function f continuous and hina darb yani rakam hakiki c darb f is also continuous at number a. Okay, number 4, f darb g also continuous at number a. Okay, f hala g also continuous at number a, but tahat g maafi sifar. Okay, here not equal to sifar. What is the meaning? If f continuous and g continuous, function f continuous and function g continuous. Okay, then f zayed g continuous at the same number, f salib g continuous, f darb g continuous, f ala g continuous, but the f function ajim mafi sifar, and c darb f also continuous. Okay. Now look over here, this theorem. Any polynomial is continuous everywhere. You know polynomial? I told you about polynomial. Okay. Polynomial continuous everywhere. Polynomial mafi discontinuous. Continuous. Polynomial continuous everywhere. Follow number. That is continuous on here. Tell him here any number. Polynomial continuous at all rakam hakiki. Okay. Right. Number B. Any rational function is continuous on its domain. Rational function is continuous on its domain. Okay. Whatever the domain of rational function, in the domain, rational function always continuous. Right. Okay. So polynomial continuous everywhere. No problem. No problem. Maafi mushkila with polynomial. If any polynomial is there, always continuous. Just remember this. Now see this example. This one. Okay. This is a rational function. Find this limit. Find limit x goes to -2 and this function. Okay. This function is a rational function. This function is rational function. It is continuous. This function is a rational function. So it is continuous in its domain. Here, see this example here. Theorem मौजूद here. Hada, any rational function is continuous on its domain. Okay. Let me explain here this question. See this question. See this example. Find this. Limit x goes to -2 x power 3 plus 2x square -1. This one. And here 5 minus 3x. Okay. This is the question. Find this limit. Now this is a rational function. See this? This is a rational function. X power 3. This function x power 3 plus 2x square minus 1 divided by 5 minus 3x is a rational function. What is rational function? Why rational function? So, the folk polynomial. Polynomial ala polynomial. Polynomial ala polynomial. Polynomial divided by polynomial is called rational function. Okay. So, hada polynomial, ala polynomial. If any function like that, polynomial, ala polynomial, that is called rational function. Okay. Rational function. So you have to find limit here. You have to find limit here. X goes to -2. X goes to -2. Okay. So if this, you have to check this. If salib 2 मौजूद in the domain of this function, then limit exists. माफी मुश्किला. Okay. if this x goes to minus 2, if this salib 2 मौजूद in the domain of this function, the limit all the time exists. माफी मुश्किल है. Okay, so you have to check what is the domain of this function. What is the domain? So how to find the domain? सुक्त है 5 minus 3x इसावी 0. This 5x minus 3x equal to 0. Okay, 5x minus 3 equal to 0. So here न मौजूद सालिब तलाता x के लिए मीन 5 equal to मौजूद तलाता x, इधर मौजूद तलाता. ओके, तो तकसीम तलाता हमसा आला तलाता इसावी 3x divided by 3. This cancel. This implies come x इसावी 5 आला 3. Okay, right? What is the domain of this function? Domain of this function is कुल्लो रकम हकीकी except हादा, कुल्लो रकम हकीकी except this. The domain of this function is all रकम हकीकी x except x माफी this, x माफी खमसारा तलाता. Look, domain of this function कुल्लो रकम हकीकी, यानी this equal to domain of कुल्लो रकम हकीकी x except this number 5 वाला 3. Tell me, बस हादा हमसा आला तलाता माफी मौजूद इन द डोमेन, बागी कुल्लो रकम हकीकी मौजूद इन द डोमेन. नाउ टेल मी, सालिब 2 मौजूद वला माफी मौजूद इन द डोमेन. टेल मी, सालिब इतरेन मौजूद वला माफी मौजूद. अब्दुल वाहिद. Do you know how to find the domain of this? Do you know how to find the domain of this function? Rational function I told you. You have to take this. 5 minus 3x इसावी 0. आधा कानून. Find the domain. 5x minus 3x equal to 0. Here x इसावी कम. X इसावी इजी खमसाला तलाता. If you put here तहत, x इसावी खमसाला तलाता. So तहत इजी 0. Take this. Other function. Let me check here. See तहत का मीना in this function. तहत मौजूद खमसा साली तलाता and दर other x. And if you take this x इसावी खमसाला तलाता. If you take here x इसावी खमसाला तलाता. then come easy here. तलाता and तलाता cancel. हम बागी तहत बागी खमसा सालिब खमसा. तहत इजी 0. हादा मुश्किला. If you take x इसावी खमसाला तलाता तहत इजी 0 and तहत इजी 0 यानी मुश्किला. It means खमसा आला तलाता माफी मौजूद in the domain of this function. बाकी कुल्लो रकम हकीकी मौजूद. माफी मुश्किला फॉर तानी रकम हकीकी, बस मुश्किला फॉर खमसा आला तलाता. You understand or not? Yes, clear? So now look. Now I mean to say the domain of this function is you can take any input, maafi mushkila. If you take input khamsa ala talata, then mushkila. It means khamsa ala talata input maafi mawjood in the domain. Bagi kullo rakam hakiki mawjood in the domain. Right? So now tell me, na mawjood limit x goes to salib itnain. Salib itnain mawjood wala maafi mawjood in the domain. सालिब इतने माफी मौजूद इन द डोमेन. मौजूद ओनली फकत खमसा आला तलाता माफी मौजूद. बागी कुल्लो रकम हकीकी मौजूद. -2 मीन्स व्हाट? -2 खमसा आला तलाता? नो, -2 मुख्तलिफ मीन खमसा आला तलाता. ओनली खमसा आला तलाता माफी मौजूद. I told you x माफी खमसाला तलाता है ना. x माफी खमसाला तलाता. Input you cannot take खमसाला तलाता. बागी कुल्लो रकम हकीकी मौजूद in the domain. हादा. This means what? हादा कुल्लो रकम हकीकी मौजूद, फकत हादा, फकत दिस, फकत खमसा ला तलाता. Okay. So here -2 मौजूद in the domain. If any rational function is there here and this, you have to find limit at this number -2. If -2 मौजूद in the domain of this function, then limit exists. माफी मुश्किला. Right? Now check here limit is equal to what? Check the limit. Is equal to here. Limit x goes to -2. See, x goes to -2. Yani ala tul x -2 put here. So here 2 power b and plus 2 the 2 power, sorry, here -2 power 2 and -1 and divided by hamsa salib talata dar -2 is equal to what? Salib itnain power talata yani salib tamaniya. Okay, and here salib itnain power 2 yani mujab arba and darb 2 yani tamaniya. Hina mawjud salib wahid. तहत कम 5 hina salib itnain darb salib talata darb salib itnain कम 6 mujab 6, so 5 plus 6. Okay, is equal to what? Ara cancel. Kam bagi hina bagi salib wahid ala kam ida. So limit exist wala maafi exist? In mushkila hina at rakam when x goes to salib itnain maafi mushkila tahat maafi sifar tahat sifar only for this. In a limit exists, no problem here. Salib wahid ala yes, because salib itnain mawjood in the domain, then maafi mushkila in the limit. If you take limit at this number, khamsa ala talata, then mushkila tahi sifar, right? Yes, limit exists. Only 5/3 no. Bagi kullu rakam mawjood in the domain. Okay. So here for this function, if you take here, if you take this, if you take here limit, ina mawjood salib itne, ina mawjood kam, here mawjood salib itne. Here मौजूद limit x goes to salib itne. Okay, बाद में this function hada and hada. Okay, hina मौजूद salib itne, hina seal any number, limit exists, माफी मुश्किला. hina seal khamsa ala talata, then limit does not exist, मुश्किला, because khamsa ala talata माफी मौजूद in the domain. Okay. What this theorem says? I told you this. Look over here. I told you, if any rational function is continuous on its domain, it means what? If number मौजूद in the domain, in the rational function, then limit exists. Okay, in its domain. Right? Now come to next question. See this theorem. The following types of functions are continuous everywhere in their domain. Just remember, in their domain. Maafi barra domain. If any number maafi mawjood in the domain, they are not continuous. For the domain only. Okay. Polynomial function continuous everywhere, because the domain of polynomial function is rakam hakiki. kullu rakam hakiki. So polynomial function continuous. And now rational function continuous in their domain. Okay. This root function, root yani jadar function, continuous in their domain. These trigonometric functions, you know, sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, okay, cosine. These all functions are continuous in their domain. Okay, and inverse trigonometric functions also continuous in their domain. Exponential functions also continuous in their domain. Continuous. Okay. Logarithmic functions also continuous in their domain. Okay, so these all functions are continuous in their domain. Okay, just you have to remember. So come to this example. See this example. Determine for what value of x function f is discontinuous. Where this function is discontinuous. Discontinuous means if at any point this function is not defined, at that point this function is not continuous. Okay, right? Now check this. First function is this. A fx isavi hada x ala 2x tarbiya plus x, and b fx isavi lata ala x and zayed x tarbiya minus 1. Okay, first you find at which number this function is not defined. Okay, this type of function I told you how to check this defined Varlamorphy defined. Number A is this. Fx equal to x ala 2x tarbiya plus x. You have to check here. At which number? You have to check here. Okay. So I told you if function मौजूद polynomial ala polynomial यानी rational function. So मुश्किला all the time you have to check here. If तहत सिफर is easy, then मुश्किला not defined. Check तहत. How to check? See this. See the solution. You will take तहत function 2x square plus x is obviously like this. Okay. So hina x मौजूद and hina x मौजूद. So x still मुश्तरक common मुश्तरक. So here still x common. Okay. So hina कम बागी. hina बागी इतने. आधा इतने. hina x तरबिया यानी x दरब x. वाहिद x बर्रा वाहिद x hina बागी. 2x जायद आधा x बर्रा. So hina कम बागी वाहिद. It is equal to 0. And this means what? This means you can write here is x. X isavi sifar. This means what? X isavi sifar or ada 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 equal to sifar. Okay. So ada x isavi sifar. And here ada come 2x hina zayed 1 मौजूद. zayed 1 सील यमीन. इस साली वाहिद हिना मौजूद इतने हिना दर तकसीम हादा इतनेन एक साला इतनेन and this equal to साली वाहिद आला इतनेन. Okay, कैंसिल. x इसावी कम साली वाहिद आला इतनेन and हिना x इसावी सिफर. Okay, right? There are two numbers. If x इसावी सर and x इसावी साली वाहिद आला इतनेन. For these two numbers here है easy सिफर है मुश्किला. Okay, this function if you seal x isavi sifar then तहत easy sifar. If you seal x isavi salib nos If you seal x يساوي سالب نص then هنا تحت يجي صفر. You can check it. Okay. So this function مشكلة for only صفر and سالب نص. Okay. It means this function is continuous at كل رقم حقيقي except these two numbers, except x يساوي صفر and x يساوي سالب نص. This function is discontinuous. This function is continuous because what? X يساوي صفر and x يساوي سالب نص माफी मौजूद in the domain. Okay. बाकी कुल्लो रकम हकीकी मौजूद in the domain. बाकी कुल्लो रकम हकीकी माफी मुश्किला. बस मुश्किला ही ना. صفر and सालिब नोस. This function is discontinuous at x يساوي صفر and x يساوي because صفر and सालिब नोस माफी मौजूद in the domain. Why? If you take x يساوي صفر then this تحت يجي صفر मुश्किला. If you seal x يساوي نص then تحت يجي صفر. Okay. This function only problem मुश्किला only for these two numbers صفر and सालिब नोस. बाकी की माफी मुश्किला. This function is for this, right? Yes. Now come to the next question. Number B. Come to the number B. Number B is this. Lata ala x शायद x minus 1. Number B is this. يساوي लाता ala x زائد x minus 1 ala x terbiya minus 1. See this. How to find, how to check at which number this function discontinuous, right? Let me check here. Same तरीका. Okay. See this. वाहिद फंक्शन हिना मौजूद लाता ala x and बादल मौजूद जायद हिना मौजूद x सालिब वाहिद ala x तरबिया सालिब 1. दो फंक्शन मौजूद ही. दो फंक्शन मौजूद. You can take this. This function you can take this f1. This function you can take f2. f1 जायद f2. So first you find domain. First you find here. See f1. Okay. See this f1. So here तलाता ala x. तलाता ala x. तहत कम मौजूद. तहत हिना मौजूद x. So seal x يساوي صفر. So هذا هنا मुश्किला तलाता ala x صفر. तहत يجي तहत मौजूद x फकत x. So if يساوي صفر x يساوي صفر then मुश्किला हिना not defined. In this function is f2. यहाँ तहत कम मौजूद x तरबिया सालिब 1. यहाँ मौजूद x तरबिया सालिब 1. This يساوي 0. Now हल हादा x तरबिया सालिब 1 यानी वाहिद तरबिया. Problem. Use this कानून. सालिब वाहिद यानी वाहिद तरबिया. You can take वाहिद तरबिया. वाहिद means वाहिद माफी मुश्किला. See this कानून. a तरबिया सालिब b तरबिया equal to r. a जायद b and a सालिब b. आधा कानून. Use here. हिना कम x जायद 1 x सालिब 1 يساوي صفر. हिना कम x जायद 1 يساوي صفر और x सालिब 1 يساوي صفر. From here x يساوي सालिब 1 and here x يساوي موجب 1. Look. सालिब वाहिद वाहिद हिना मुश्किला सालिब वाहिद and वाहिद and हिना मुश्किला صفر. There are three numbers: Sifar, Salib Wahid, and Wahid. For these three numbers, hina mushkila. This function is not defined. Yani x yusawi sifar, x yusawi salib 1, and x yusawi 1. Maafi mawjood in the domain. Okay. So maafi mawjood in the domain, it means that these three numbers function discontinuous. Maafi continuous. Function continuous only at its domain. Right? This function is this function f is discontinuous at x equal to -1, 6, and 1. At these three numbers, this function is continuous. Right? Why discontinuous at these three numbers? Because these Tata numbers, Sifar, Salib, Wahid, and Wahid, if you see these input, then Tahat is Sifar. And Tahat Sifar yani mushkila, not defined. It means what? X isawi -1, X isawi Sifar, and X isawi Wahid. Maafi mawjood in the domain. Maafi mawjood in the domain in the function. Bagi kullu rakam hakiki mawjood. Discontinuous at these three numbers. Because these three numbers maafi mawjood in the domain. Okay? Right? Yes. Only problem for these three numbers. You will check like that. Okay? If any number Tahat is Sifar, Tahat mushkila, Tahat is Sifar, then that number maafi mawjood in the domain. Barra. But that number not continuous. It's polynomial or not? It's so see this. Hina mawjood talata ala x. Okay? The talata is constant number, and this x is polynomial. So this is rational function. Polynomial ala polynomial is rational function. Okay? Rational. And whenever rational function is mawjood, you have to check tahat. Tahat at which number mushkila. Okay? And how to check? Tahat seal yusawi 0. Hina tahat mawjood, x tarbiya salib wahid. Seal yusawi 0. Hada. Number is then hal number is hada and hada. Hina mushkila. And here hina tahat mawjood x. Yani x isawi sifar. Hina mushkilat hai. These are the rational function. Polynomial ala polynomial. Right? Yes, only problem for three numbers: 0, salib 1, and 1. Bagi kullu rakam maafi mushkila. Only mushkila salib 1, sifar, and 1. If input seal sifar, then tahat is sifar. Mushkila. If input seal salib wahid, then tahat is sifar. Mushkila. If input seal wahid, then tahat is sifar. Mushkila. Okay? Right? Okay, so today I will stop here. Any problem, then ask me. Any question? Exam, I will give you maybe inshallah today or tomorrow. Schedule inshallah mawjood. Maybe aliyom, maybe bukra. Inshallah. I will tell you. This week no exam. right? Abdul Wahid, yes, I will give you solution, don't worry.